In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create files in Google Drive. Whether you're aiming to draft a document, create a presentation, or set up a spreadsheet, Google Drive provides a seamless platform for file creation and management. So, let's get you started with this straightforward guide. To begin, you'll want to open Google Drive. You can do this by navigating to drive.google.com on your web browser. Make sure you're signed into your Google account because all your uploads and creations will be stored and organized under this account. You'll find the interface clean and intuitive, with a menu on the left and your existing files displayed prominently. Once you're in Google Drive, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled New with a colorful, bold plus sign next to it. This button is your gateway to creating new files. Go ahead and click on this New button. You'll notice a drop-down menu appearing almost instantly. This menu features a range of options. The primary choices are Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, each corresponding to documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, respectively. If your aim is to create a simple document, click on Google Docs. For data and number crunching, Google Sheets would be your best bet. And for those visually impactful presentations, Google Slides is the way to go. All these options are designed to cater to your various needs, whether personal projects, school assignments, or business tasks. Selecting one of these options will open a new tab, automatically bringing up a blank template for you to begin work on your new file. Now, here's a pro tip. If you're looking to organize your Google Drive more effectively, consider creating folders before starting a new file. This can keep your area uncluttered and allows for easier retrieval of documents whenever you need them. You can create a folder by clicking on New and selecting Folder. Give it a descriptive name so you can easily remember its contents. Once inside your new file, you'll notice the familiar, user-friendly interface that Google Apps are known for. Whether you're in Docs, Sheets, or Slides, you have access to an extensive range of editing tools at the top of the screen. These tools allow you to customize your content extensively. From adjusting fonts to inserting images and charts, you have full control over how you want your file to look and operate. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you're all set to create and edit files using Google Drive's versatile ecosystem. You'll find this method not only quick and efficient, but also incredibly simple, making it perfect even for beginners. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips to enhance your digital workflow.